In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email to safe sender list in Outlook. If important messages keep landing in your junk folder, adding the sender to your safe list tells Outlook to trust those emails and deliver them straight to your inbox. I'll walk you through this using Outlook on the web. Start by opening your browser and going to outlook.live.com, then sign into your account if prompted. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right for the gear icon to open settings and click it. This opens a panel with quick options. We want the full mail settings, so in the menu, select email or mail to get to the detailed options. Within the email settings, find and select junk email. This is where Outlook manages blocked senders, filters, and the safe list. You'll see a section labeled safe senders and domains. This is exactly where we'll add trusted contacts or entire domains so their messages skip the junk filter. Click Add Safe Sender. A small field will appear where you can type. Enter the specific email address you want to trust, like a sender you regularly hear from, and press Enter to add it. If you routinely receive messages from many addresses at the same organization, you can add the domain instead, for example, example.com, so anything from that domain is treated as safe. Only do this for domains you fully trust, because it allows any sender using that domain to reach your inbox. After you've added the email or domain, make sure to click Save. This step commits your changes. If you close the window without saving, your safe sender won't be added. Once saved, you should see the address or domain listed under safe senders and domains, confirming it's active. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If a message you were expecting is already in junk, move it back to your inbox and, if available, mark it as not junk. That helps train the filter alongside your safe sender entry. If you don't immediately see the email or junk email options, try the search box within settings and type junk email to jump straight there. And remember, you can return to this page anytime to remove entries you no longer need. Just select the item and delete it, then save again. That's it. By adding trusted senders or domains and saving your changes, you'll ensure those important messages reliably land in your inbox.